Hey guys, Captain Keto here. Sorry about the late video. I completely forgot we were doing the weigh-in today. I was going to do it at 7 o'clock in the morning, but we're now at about 2:30 Arizona time, so why not? Alright, here we go. I'm going to show you that we're stepping on the scale.
Hello.
Here.
Please step on the scale.
Here we go. Wow, actually that was lower than what I did just a second ago. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it did say 399.4 or 6. Couldn't remember. Either way, it's 399. A lot better than 404 or 406, whatever it was. Oh, 416, that's what it was. So we went from 416 to 399, guys, in a week. What is that? I'm not very good at math. I think that's 17 pounds? Just about, give or take. Alright, brothers. I'm really excited about this. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.